Hey Matadors who drive electric vehicles, we've got some great news for you and future Matadors. We are expanding our EV charging network with 86 Level 2 and 2 Level 3 charging stations across our CSUN campus. All charging stations will be powered by Chargy, the largest installer of EV charging stations in Southern California. Through the user-friendly Chargy smartphone app, all students, faculty, and staff can easily set up an account using their CSUN email address. Then, simply preload the funds, scan the QR code at a charging station, and follow the charging status of your vehicle in real time. Although campus EV chargers are no longer free to use, you are only charged for the cost of electricity consumed. A detailed map of the new charging station locations across campus is available online. EVs are quickly growing in popularity, so it is vital for CSUN to provide the necessary support system for all of us to make the future electric. CSUN, fueling the EV revolution.